Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Camry SE upgrade package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in super white. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your aggressive front styling, daytime running lights, got those turn signals on the side mirrors, and on top you do have that sunroof. But now why don't we hop inside this Camry and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. We're gonna hop in the front and take a look at the driver's side first. This Camry does come equipped with a smart key system, so if the vehicle's locked and you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will beep and it'll just unlock for you. On the bottom of the door you do have some storage space. Above it you have your power windows, locks and mirrors. Mixed leather and fabric seating, and you have your power seat adjusters right on the bottom. So now let's hop inside. Start the vehicle. It is a push to start. Put your foot on the brake and press that button right up there. Look on the left side of the steering wheel first. This cluster will help, will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up here. Like so, when you got all those various screens. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, as well as your volume options next to it. On the right, you have your Toyota safety sensor with radar, cruise control, and lane departure assist. And right next to that, you do have your cruise control speed settings. Now we're going to move on to our screen here. Right now it's got this nice little split screen. We're on home. If we go ahead and press audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, of course, as well as your USB and choice of Bluetooth device. There's that backup camera, nice and clear. Moving down to our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperature to your liking, and the passenger can do so as well. Here you have your options, of course, as well, like intensity and function. Moving down, here you have your key wireless charger, which is nice. You just press that button right there, place your phone, that'll charge right up without any cables. You also have your 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary. Moving next to the shifter, you have your 2 cup holders, and behind that you have your driver and passenger heated seats. And now we're going to take a look in the center console. Plenty of space in there. Close. Last look, glove box. Let's open that right up. Nice and simple. Plenty of space in there as well. Let's just close that right up. So before we head to the cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you also have some storage, just like the driver's side. All-weather mats equipped in the back as well. More mixed leather and fabric seating. You also have some storage space behind the 2 front seats. And lastly, if we pull this down, you do have 2 cup holders as well as a nice little armrest. So before we head inside, just a quick look in the back. A few features to show you is that backup camera that we mentioned earlier. We have this nice redesigned aggressive rear bumper as well as 2 exhaust ports. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this button on your key fob and that trunk will open right up. Lots of room in here for all your essentials. And if you ever need that extra bit of room, those seats do fold down. Have some nice storage on the side. And lastly, if we just lift this up, you do have your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, we're just going to push that down like so. Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry SE upgrade package. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down, take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thanks for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.